So I want to welcome our special guest here, Mike.
Thank
It's
you.
so great to see you.
You too.
In about 20 minutes, one of us will be asleep. I think it'll be you and not me. So tell me, what are you looking most forward to?
Having teeth again that don't fall out. I mean, I could pull the front three right out. They come right out. And just having normal teeth.
Yeah,
I had cancer 11 years ago, tongue cancer. And dry mouth just
killed your
devastated my mouth. So and nothing I found did anything. So.
Yeah. Well, we're really glad that you're here.
And I am too.
Yeah.
My wife's afraid, but I'm not. I'm ready.
Yeah, and you've been wanting this for how many years? You've been searching?
Couple years now.
Yeah.
But I've been to a lot of different dentists.
Oh yeah.
We moved to Ann Arbor. I've been to a few out there, and no one wants to
touch you. Yeah.
So.
Well, we're really looking forward to you, Mike. And if there's someone out there who's contemplating this, who can't smile, who can't chew, who's just frustrated and don't know where to turn, what would be the one thing to get them to move forward?
You have to do your homework.
Yeah.
Search.
And find
us. Found you.
I
mean, it was perfect.
Awesome.
And like I said, I'm glad to be going through it.
Awesome. Well, we're looking forward to the journey, and you know what? You're going to do great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.